Can you turn an old barbecue into a real blacksmithing forge? That's exactly what we're about to find out. I'm using homemade charcoal that I made myself. A rusty old barbecue and a little forced air. If everything goes according to plan, by the end of the day, we'll have a working forge and a hand-charged hook.
So this was left here when we moved here. It's left by the guy we bought this property from. And we were just gonna throw it in the recycling. It's in pretty bad shape, but I need a bigger forge. I'm going to see if I can transform this into a forge. Ooh, little electric starters, I think. Yeah, they still work. Ow! Shoot. Well, it works. Now we know that works. Let go, let go, let go. All right. Get my shop back. We got all the old food and rust and garbage all vacuumed out. So let's keep moving. Pop those off too. Move these little guys. Yeah, let go of it. There we go. Last little thing here. Here's all the parts I removed. There we go. Perfectly lined up holes. I mean, A+. Well, the hole is closed. I would not say that it's a pretty weld. It's not beautiful, but it'll do the trick. Lines up perfectly. That's awesome. Here's the heart and soul of the furnace. It's old high volume ear pump for air mattresses, but I got this used at the Goodwill for $7.99. I'm going to 3D print a adapter here. Right now I'm just going to tape it in. Yeah, it's going to be pretty good. Woo. All right, so I think I'm going to test it. I'm going to go grab some coal and see if it gets crazy hot. And yet again, back to my coal bin. It is already getting tremendously hot. I'm gonna throw in a railroad spike and just see if they get, boiling lava hot. I am very pleased with this so far. Put it in there and yeah, it did the trick. Well, the good news is it didn't catch on fire and I was able to get a railroad spike red hot using this charcoal I made the other day. And so the next step is cleaning it up, finishing it, making it look a little less sketchy, and then see if I can actually make something with it. So we'll see. I just realized as I pulled it out that this is completely rusted out. So this is shot, so I'm gonna have to replace that with something rusted. Yeah, I'd say it's a little rusted through. Oh yeah, like a glove. So I want to be able to hang my tools off here somewhere, and I think I have the perfect thing. Yes, made this for an old project, an old job I had a long time ago, and this was scrap because we didn't use it. And I think it's gonna be perfect. Oh boy. boy. It's like meant to be. First 3D print on our property. Looks good. So I 3D printed an adapter here so we can pop this in there instead of using tape. Make it a little easier, you know, to take apart and just make the seal a little tighter. Nice. Ah, now it's dumpy. It was so sunny there for a second, I let my guard down. It's raining hard now. Typical. All right, here's my little setup. We're gonna see if we're gonna make some hooks and see how well this guy works. Yeah, I mean, it's not, you know, the best twist in the world, but look, my beautiful wife is bringing me coffee. What a beautiful angel. It's coming along. It's a pretty big hook, but whatever. I mean, obviously I'm not doing that whole thing. I'm gonna cut it. Okay. Yeah. I am pleased. Yeah, I'm pleased. I just gotta drill a hole and we can hang her up. Why can't I talk? So overall, I definitely would call this project a success. Turning an old barbecue into a forge turned out better than expected. And I really like how I can adjust the bricks to make it so I can change the firebox there, so I can control how much charcoal I'm using. I definitely see some room for improvement, mainly around the charcoal. It was cool and it did the trick, and I was very happy, you know, that I was able to make it. But I think, you know, I could refine the process, maybe use some better wood to begin with. It could extend my, you know, work time a little bit, maybe, you know, just improve the process altogether. So the coolest thing about this is that I was able to use the charcoal I made in a forge I made from an old barbecue. I was able to take a piece of steel and then turn it into something useful. And this was super fun and definitely a rewarding experience. And I already know what I'm going to do next, so I'm super excited. So thanks for watching though, and we'll see you in the next one.